AI this, AI that, AI agent, chat bots, text messages. Oh man, AI has infiltrated everything. Like it's literally in everything. A year ago, like a year and a half ago, for real, nobody was talking about AI. I mean, there were a little bit of people talking about AI, but not everybody, right? Excuse me. Now there's AI consultants. Yo, this is the best sandwich. This thing right here. Woo! Hold on. Ain't that thing banging. Anyway, ain't too many sandwiches. Good. I got that from Cafe Square One. It's downtown in the city. Anyway, with AI proliferating everything. Look, a year ago, I cut hair, right? I cut my clients. And I always ask them, yo, what you think about AI, right? Or if they do some type of business, I always ask them, right? If they're in IT or whatever business they're in, I always ask them, you're not scared of AI, right? And they be like, nah. This is a year ago, year and a half ago. Now, whenever I ask anybody about AI, they use it in some shape or fashion in either their business or their life. Everybody. And now a lot of motherfuckers are scared of it. A lot of people are petrified. Some people love it. Some people don't think it is what it is. They still stuck on AI makes mistakes. It's not going to take over. It can't do this. Like there's haters in every field, right? And some people are definitely afraid that it's going to take over their job. But now everybody, I think AI is to the point where it's in everything. I've been using AI chatbots and AI to book my appointments since AI came out, right? And it's to the point now where I don't even talk to them. I talk to some clients, right? When they call me or text me, but I'd rather my AI take care of that. And all my clients know, everybody knows. I say, look, on my business card, I don't have it with me or it's over there. I don't feel like getting up. It says text and talk to my AI. Text my AI. On my front of my building, right? I got it saying text my AI. Do I have it on here? I don't have it on this card. Am I running out of business cards? That's crazy. Anyway, on my business cards, it says book with my AI. Like I just straight up tell it. What a lot of people do, what I see, is they try to use the AI voices and the AI stuff and they try to make it seem like it's really a person. Like you can't, I mean, it can kind of get away with you saying it's a person, but it's not there yet. It's not there yet. It's close. Not that close, but it's not there yet. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't use it to replace anything. Like I wouldn't use it to replace me because sometimes I still got to jump in and I got to say, hey, that's my AI. He said something stupid. My fault. Blah, 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 blah. And I fix whatever the AI, because it might book me when I'm not working, or it might say I'm not working. I might use the wrong calendar, right? Or I might have it programmed fucked up. Man, it's probably user error. It's probably my fault, right? But anyway, don't take your eyes off the ball. With all this AI shit and all this make money with AI stuff, right? Who's going to give you the money? The money's going to come from a human. It's going to come from a person, right? So just don't miss the point. AI is here to serve you. AI is not the devil. AI is not evil. AI is not going to fucking It shouldn't take your job. I mean, look, if AI can take your job, then I guess it's time for you gotta find another job. You gotta find something else to do. If AI can come in and take what you do for a living, and somebody can do it for free with AI, that's something you gotta work on, Doug. You shouldn't get mad at nobody for that. And you're not allowed to get mad at nobody for that. Anyway, I'ma holler at you. I see you at the top. Let me get some work done. I gotta work on my AI. Yike. Yo, stay focused, man. It's too much money out here, Doug.